ki khubor ki babnya ki yang Dorbar thawaan ke mikhlaya kalayele kat bala ban Pynkylla marmar Ktien Khasi Garo ba Jaintia Naduh ke Dorbar ke Banwan haba penbena halor ke ne ulam phang yang Dorbar thawaan ke jalau Thomas sangma ulang ba an pen ulang ya kani da ke jingrap Jong ki artificial intelligence bat ki riu shampang ki banak National Law University ulam phang ke yang Dorbar thawaan upentikna ba wat lada ke yang Dorbar kamla ban pen ulang ya kani ka ha kani ka Dorbar badang ya mentah henre sedang ya ke jing Pynkylla marmar Naduh ke Dorbar ke Bansawan.
We will try our best to introduce the translations, live translations to. There would be some flaws, as I would say, because this is for the first time this assembly has taken the initiative to give the translation, the live translation of the governor's address, which was done in Hindi, and the simultaneous translation was done in the English language. Certainly there would be some flaws because this is for the first time that we are doing it, but it may not be as verbatim, but this was done along with the help of artificial intelligence program and also the human manually done manually, which is
Ki sengkel yang persya mikhlaya da